Hello and welcome to this video demo of MyGate. If you are looking to start your own business and make money online using AI, I'm here to help you build your own AI content generator platform with a subscription module so you can charge your customers on a monthly or yearly basis. Here's a quick demo of how the platform looks like. This is the landing page of the platform where your customers can see the platform features, your pricing plans, and also they can sign up for free. There is no credit card required. So let's say you want to generate a blog intro about pet food and which food healthier for your pet. What's the difference between available foods in the market? So you can just write the blog title, blog topic, choose a tone, and now your content will be generated and you can edit it on the Reach editor on the right. On the other side, you as an admin, here's your dashboard where you can see statistics and analytics about new users and monthly revenues and earnings. So as you can see, it's exactly like Copy AI, Jasper, and Writer. These are the new trending platforms that everybody is looking to build. Thanks for watching, and I hope we talk soon.